Hello everyone, this is Martins here. I'm doing a quick video to show you how you can obtain your deposit address to transfer funds into your UbitEx account for staking purposes. Alright, so when you log into your account, you go to the home page. Alright, this is your home page. The home page, you'll see here there's an invest now button. There's also a deposit button. The button you need is the deposit button. You click on it. So when you click on it, you will see some currencies that are displayed. The one you need here is the USDT. That is what you are going to be transferring into your wallet that you are going to use for your staking. All right. Okay, so when you click on it, you would see where it says transfer network. So there's a drop down list here of networks that you can select from. All right, so when you click on the drop down list, you scroll down and you look for the Polygon network. Polygon. All right, that's what you need. So you click on Polygon, select it, and then when you look down under the deposit address, you see that an address has been generated. So this is the address you need to send to the person that's going to send you your USDT, or you take to your exchange where you have bought your USDT to withdraw the USDT and have it transferred to this your account. Okay, so this is the button you click to copy the address. Click on that and you see a sign that copied successfully. All right, so you now go. I use my WhatsApp. I go to my WhatsApp and then I go to my own personal account, Martins, and then I drop it there. So from there I can copy it and send it to wherever I want to use it. All right, so you keep on paste, and then I remove myself away from the way, and then you just paste it there. Okay, so that's just the way you get your deposit address. Very simple, very easy. All right. Okay, this is where I sign off now. This is Martin signing out. Cheers.